Hello there and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be having a look at the hornpipe harvest home, and we're going to be studying some advanced techniques for ornamentation and variation in this tune. If you haven't already learnt the harvest home, I'll put a link on screen for you now. And it's paired with a tune called The Boys of Blue Hill. Again, I'll put a link on screen for you if you haven't already learnt that. But today, as I said, we're going to be looking at the harder stuff, the ornamentation, the variation, and making the tune sound a little bit more interesting. So what we'll do is we'll break it down phrase by phrase and I'll teach it to you, and then at the end I will play you a version of the harvest home with all of that ornamentation put into it. Please like the video if you like the video, please subscribe and comment down below if there's anything you'd like to see us teach here on the channel. Okay, let's crack on with the tune. Okay. So I'm putting in these little triplets. They're F sharp, G, A, and they're Piper's triplets. Now, the big run of triplets that this tune is famous for. First triplet is E, F sharp, E. Then we're going D, C sharp, B. Then A, B, A. Then G, F sharp, E. Again. Okay, first line. Then it repeats. Just chords. D, F sharp for your D chord. Could strike C sharp and E if you wanted to. And then that's a slightly different inversion. It's F sharp and D again for your chord. That's your A part. Okay, so you've got C, D leading you in, so put a B in front and make it a triplet. And we're going to treble those A's. Here's a little variation triplet. E, F sharp, G. And then F sharp, D. Back to the E. And then treble the A. Play those two bars together. Then we're into familiar territory. That's the whole of the thing. Just get those triplets nice and tight. Okay, so hopefully some of those techniques there are going to be useful for you. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to play the tune, and you can play along or just get a listen to where those kind of techniques would be used. So here we are, the harvest home. Good stuff. Hope that's useful for you. See you in the next video.